doja fever. Running the car with no lean speak. I know my dick ain't cheap. That Gucci and shop off a leaf. No bitch on my dick. Better than go to get knee. Yo, no bitch, nobody. They tease, yo. You know they paying the fee. Shorty, you drop like a fee. No, you ain't talking to me. Said this bitch won't roll my weed up. She move fast like cheetah. Her first smell is pretty fun. Keisha, so twins Uzis call my Nina. You better watch your knees. I need roll my doja fever. I met that boy so he can't even speak. I know my dick ain't cheap. That let that Gucci and shop off a leaf. Shut up and look at that teacher for good grades. No bitch on my dick. You gotta keep my peace.
It's 5:30 in the morning, man. How the fuck I been asleep, nigga? I ain't been asleep yet. Clitoris between his legs, you know. Broke niggas better get a fix. I remember I was 13 trying to bust it. Of the armor helmet, running to that motherfucking money like I'm Barry Sanders. I remember eating roll. Tell the baby mama she gon' let me fuck. In the trap with that dog and a puppy child. Dope like a stepchild. 13 years old on the block, skipping middle school. Lying in the gym. Make your whole slide, dig it down, then I kick her out. When I feel by that money, I be on.
This is tribal, Kelly. One can't logic one's way out of it. Thank you, Cal. ABC Illawarra. Oh. Thank you very much for being this morning. 1300-973-300 is the number. I can tell you all about it.
Like, I'm not, by no means am I against, you know, homemade light up proton packs. I just don't think I don't think they have a place.
Place in the prop store auction than one that might have been made by somebody who once upon a time brought it to Pawn Stars, but I digress.
I don't know. Again, I don't know the origin of these packs. I don't know any backstory on this. It's just it's really random. It's just show up here. Some site, and we can actually get like a full description.
What?
All three people running.
Oh my god, there's four, there's two up there.
Oh, so there's a police officer.
From the car?
Yeah.
Oh my god, someone got shot. A police officer got shot.
Keep your eyes shut.
Are you serious?
An officer got shot.
Well, you don't know, like... Okay, one, you don't know if he got shot. And two, he has a vest on.
Oh my god, I need to pray.
Is he on the ground?
Yes, he is.
I'm gonna pray.
Where are you?
Just getting off at Centerport. It's okay. It's okay. He's gonna be okay. He's gonna be okay. It's okay.
Oh my god. They're doing CPR.
He's not doing CPR. He's just talking to him. He's just talking to him. Okay?
40 people ran up there.
He just got hurt, okay? He's okay. He's not bleeding.